Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight on Adobe Acrobat Pro. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and start opening up a file. Now here right off the bat, you should see small tool, and here you can also see the highlight tool. Click on it. Then next is simply brush it towards the area or the text that you would like to highlight, and automatically the highlight color will then be applied. You can also change the color of the highlight by clicking on the color palette, choose a color, and now you can highlight with this color as well. You can also change the color of highlighted text by clicking on it, and here you should also the color palette. All you have to do is click on it and choose a color that you want to use for this text. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!